Hello everyone, this is Erica from HLC Aluminum. Today in this video, we're gonna introduce you guys how we install the aluminum composite panels with 5 or 6 year and more durability. In addition to the quality of the panels and the structural adhesive, the most important factor that affects the durability is the construction process. It can make the durability of aluminum composite panel reach 5 or 6 years or even longer. This practice is the left and the right side of the panel slotted folding splicing. The width of the panel is 122 cm. The inner diameter of the 3 cm of slotting and folding is 114.4 cm. The inner diameter is larger than the outer diameter. Therefore, the spacing between the outside of the square tube in video is 114. At this time, many questions come up. Since the square tube outside spacing fixed, then the aluminum composite panel cannot be slotted at once for the edge of the spare? The answer is no. If you want to get more information, please visit our website and see you next time.